Hey guys, this is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. I hope that you all had a great start to this new year. Today we will be making vegetable fried rice. This has tons of flavors and it is really colorful. The vegetables also really enhance the flavors with the sauces. So without further ado, let's get cooking! To make this fried rice, we will need 2 cups of rice that has been cleaned and soaked in water for 15 minutes, 4 cloves of garlic that is finely chopped, 1 small onion that is finely chopped, 1 inch of ginger that is grated, 1 carrot that is grated, 1 cup of cabbage that is shredded, 1 bell pepper that is thinly sliced. You can use any colors that you want. Some salt as per your taste. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Some chili sauce as per your taste. 1 teaspoon of sriracha and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. I have taken a large pot and added in the rice. Then I added in a lot of water and then a few pinches of salt. This is to give the rice some flavor. And then I added in 1 teaspoon of oil so that the rice doesn't become sticky. Then we will cook this on high heat until the rice is cooked. Once the rice is cooked, you will drain the water out of it and let it cool. Now we will start cooking the veggies. So first you will take a pot on medium heat and then add in around 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Then we will wait until the oil gets heated. Once the oil is heated, we will add in the chopped garlic, and stir this. Once the garlic turns slightly golden brown, we will add in the onions, and mix this together. And then we will cook these until they are slightly brown. Then we will add in the ginger, mix that in, and cook it for around a minute or so. And then you will add in the bell peppers and the cabbage. You will also add a teaspoon of salt and give this a good mix and cook it until all of the veggies are a little bit brown. If you like your veggies soft, you can put on the lid and cook these veggies for a few minutes. If you like your veggies crunchy, then you can cook these for a few more minutes and then move directly on to the next step. Once the veggies are cooked, you add in the carrots, and then you will give this a good mix and cook it for around 2 to 3 more minutes. Once the veggies are cooked, you will slowly start adding in the rice. Be very careful because you do not want to break the rice. Now we will mix the rice with the veggies. So you will take your utensil and move it from down to up. You want to be gentle because again, you do not want to break the rice. Once you have mixed together the rice and the veggies, we will start adding in the sauces. So we'll add in the soy sauce, the vinegar, the sriracha, and the chili sauce. And then you give this a good mix. At the end, you'll give the fried rice a taste and then add any other sauces or salt if required. If you want, you can also add some cilantro as garnish. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. See you in the next video!